Indian Coast Guard marked its 49th Praising Day with a live demonstration of its maritime operations at New Mangaluru Port, 20 nautical miles off the Arabian Sea coast. The exercise showcased the Coast Guard's quick response in rescuing fishermen in distress, managing shipwrecks, and handling maritime emergencies. Governor Thaawarchand Gehlot attended the event aboard the Coast Guard Ship Varaha, where he was welcomed with a ceremonial guard of honor by Deputy Inspector General P.K. Mishra, Commander of the Karnataka unit. Legislative Assembly Speaker U.T. Khader also visited Varaha before it departed for the demonstration. More than 400 Coast Guard personnel took part in the event, which was also attended by District Commissioner Mulai Mugilan, Police Commissioner Anupam Agarwal, other senior officials and media representatives. The demonstration involved several vessels including offshore patrol vessel Shaksham, fast patrol vessels Amartya, Rajdoot and Savitribai Phule, 2 interceptor boats and a Chetak helicopter. The operations included search and rescue drills, firefighting, small arms firing, ship maneuvers and the inflation of life rafts. The Chetak helicopter played a key role in demonstrating emergency medical evacuations and aerial searches during rough sea conditions. Governor Gehlot interacted with Coast Guard personnel after the demonstration, praising their dedication to protecting India's maritime frontiers and ensuring the safety of coastal communities. Coast Guard Commandant K.V. Boniman explained the importance of helicopters and life rafts in rescue missions, emphasizing the Coast Guard's preparedness to handle any maritime situation.